Hey, on this morning's Rise and Dine, we're making an appetizer I also consider a full meal. Buffalo chicken egg rolls, just one of the appetizers offered for happy hour appetizers now at Edgar's Grille, Tuesday through Friday from 5 to 6:30. Back with us in the mixed kitchen is Edgar's Grille chef Anthony Rivera. Good to see you, buddy.
Thanks for joining us again.
Absolutely. So, all right, you had me at buffalo chicken egg rolls. What makes this appetizer such a good fit for happy hour or even when you're doing a party at home?
Well, I mean, it's just the right amount of spice to kind of go with any drink that you like. So that's kind of what makes it a great appetizer. The spicy buffalo seasoning in there, and it kind of goes well with any drink that you like. So.
Sweet. Okay, so you're going to make one of these for us here right now.
Yeah, we're going to make one.
So what's involved here with the buffalo chicken egg roll?
So we have about 6 ingredients here. We have our pulled chicken right here, and so what we like to do is roast off a whole chicken breast.
Right.
A whole chicken, and then pull the meat off. And then we have some cheddar cheese and gouda cheese right here, some Texas Pete, hot sauce, some whipped cream cheese, green onions, and a little ranch spice to go in there.
Cool. And you've already got the egg wrapper ready to roll?
We have an egg roll wrapper right here laid out. And so we start off by putting our cream cheese into our chicken mixture. And then really you just want to kind of put everything in here.
He does the walking while I do the talking,
Yeah,
folks.
you can make this at home with the kids and have them get a little messy and just put all your ingredients in here. And then you just kind of want to mix it up.
So while you're doing that, you're mixing it up here. Edgar's Grille, they got a happy hour now, Tuesday through Friday. What can guests expect besides the buffalo chicken egg rolls when they come in?
So we have a pecan shrimp appetizer as well, and we have a crab hush puppy egg rolls. Crab hush puppies as an appetizer as well.
Crash out hush puppy egg rolls would be good too. Okay.
The crab hush puppies, they go good. They go pretty good with drinks too as well. So, just come on out and come see what we got.
So what makes Edgar's such a good place to, stop after work or meet up with friends for the people that have, just gone for dinner?
Well, I think that the appetizers that we're going to feature is kind of going to make you want to come and have your happy hour drinks with us.
Okay, that works.
I think that they're going to be really good for what we got going on with our drinks, our specialty drinks as well.
Okay, specialty drinks as well for happy hour too. Also, the prices are nice.
Oh, most definitely.
Okay.
Most definitely, your prices are always going to be nice during the happy hour.
So while you're still doing that, of course, Edgar's Grille is connected with Helms College. You're the grill chef there too. So how does dining help the students that are being instructed at Helms?
So the students get a chance to work with us in the grill, and they're actually doing food for the customers coming in, paying customers coming in to eat. So it really helps them focus on really like doing from scratch cooking and learning like what it takes and the pressures that come with working in the restaurant.
Because there are pressures.
Yeah,
that is true. All right, so what are you doing now?
So right now we stuff about 2 ounces of our chicken buffalo mixture in the egg roll, and then we're going to start to roll that up.
Okay.
So what I like to do is start shape it as a diamond, and then just start from the beginning. When we put our chicken mixture at and just roll it,
and
then tuck in our ends.
Okay.
And then once you tuck in the ends, we want to take a little bit of warm water and put it right across the top, and this helps it stick when you can fry this in a little pan at home, or if you're at a restaurant, you fry it in a deep fryer, or you can brush it with a little olive oil and put them in the oven and roast them off in the oven as well.
Excellent. Anthony, what do you enjoy most about helping to train and teach the next generation of chefs out there at Helms?
Oh man, it's a joy to just work with the younger students and see what the future holds for our business. I always like to say they are the future. So I definitely want to dedicate myself to making sure that they know everything that it takes to be in this business.
We're running out of time here, but through the magic of TV, obviously, we've got some prepared buffalo chicken.
This is correct.
I'll just have that myself right there.
All right. So basically, we're just going to take some plates and lay them out.
Okay. That's something else too. We've had
put a bit of
a
greens
number of
down.
chefs here from Edgar's Grill and also Helms College too. Presentation is really key on this, isn't it?
Mm-hmm, definitely. Always presentation. You want your food to look good, then it tastes good. You know, if it doesn't look good, then most people don't think it's going to taste good.
You know
either.
what? Yeah. I'll tell you what. Your eyes are connected to your stomach. Absolutely. So we've got that. So we've got a few.
So another thing that we can do with this is we could do a blue cheese dip, a ranch dip, make you any kind of dipping sauce that you like that can kind of go with it. But what we did was what we're going to do is a blue cheese dip.
Okay. We got about 35 seconds here, so
All right.
we have
So
to
we're
go
going
quick
to
with
take
the
our
dip.
blue cheese dip,
A little dab will do you.
a little dab, that's all.
All right.
And then we'll get
Grab-
our TV time
TV time buffalo chicken egg rolls here, too. Which spot? Yes, that looks lovely. Oh, you made enough for the class. How about that?
There you go. And then we'll take those, and we'll just decorate them on a plate like so.
All right. Now, before we go, I got to try one of these here, so you're just going to have to hand me one of those right now.
There you go.
Okay. Here. Now, here's the deal, folks. If you would like to start the path to your dream career, you can do that by heading to helms.edu, and you could definitely try one of these out right now, which is what I'm about to do.
How's that?
Yeah. I'll take that one too. Thank you very much. Helms.edu.
You got lunch and dinner.
You're right. I absolutely do. Check out the happy hour at Helms, Tuesday through Friday, 5 to 6:30, and you can pick up one of these bad boys as well. Anthony, always good to see you, buddy.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Nice to be here.